Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Just down at the unit where we're going to be working on Tom's MGB, so let's go and see what he's up to. There's Tom.
Hello!
You're busy, Tom?
Cleaning up.
Never seems to make how actually terrible this is, does it?
Oh, I think if you look on the floor, I mean that. Mostly made of this rust substance and this filler stuff. Sort of a composite, if you will.
How much MGB is that?
I don't know. Quite a bit, I think. Oh, you see that? Yeah.
What is it they call it in the States?
Patina.
Survivor car. Still a bit missing here.
That's for lightness. If I saw a TV program where they had cars like this in bedrock.
I mean, there is some new bits in there. And that vaguely represents metal there.
Certainly much more metal than there was there before.
Yeah. Centre console's trying to exit the
Oh, good.
exit the situation.
Oh, I think there's still
Some attachment.
some attachment on there.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go. Stuff to be done. I guess we just get on with it.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Okay.
Yeah, just.
Touch off there. We can go and check outside. This is Phil, by the way. Can you push the front down? Oh yeah, once we square that,
Yeah, it'll be fine.
that edge up there. It's a bit scruffy in it, but when the whole thing wants running over.
Yeah, well, I've given that a little bit of a.
That rear corner's good.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's standing off a little bit.
That's good. And I think that is Tom back with food. That is Tom with food, look. It's forks and everything. Is that like COVID safe forks?
Yeah, yeah. Well, I've been on the side a while.
Are you excited? You ready to be excited?
Yeah.
What do you think of that, man?
He's in.
It's a thing. There we are. Floor pan. All in. For the most part.